Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Windows icons bigger. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make Windows icons bigger, you can adjust the icon size through the display settings, and here's how you can do it on Windows 11. So the first step would be, in the settings menu, click on System. In the System settings, click on Display. Under the Scale and Layout section, find the change the size of text, apps, and other items from the drop-down menu. Choose a larger percentage to increase the overall size of everything on your screen, including icons. Now, after adjusting the size, if there's any, you might be prompted to sign out and sign back in to apply the changes. If prompted, go ahead and do so. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.